Hi everyone, my name's Adam, and today we're going to quickly cover how to use ACDSee's external editor function. External editors allow you to maintain your management functionality in ACDSee while making quick custom changes to images within other applications. Let's just jump right in. This is super easy to use. So in Manage mode, what you're going to want to do is navigate to Editors from the top menu bar. We're going to select Configure Editors. Currently, nothing is listed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Add that's on the right here. By clicking Add, we're prompted to browse an exe file. I'll find an external editor from within my directory. And once I've made my selection, I'm just going to click Open. Open will prompt me to rename it if I want to. In this case, we'll just keep the name as is. I'll also set this editor as my default, so that when I go to use this tool in the future, I can actually use the hotkey to bring it up. If I navigate to Editors once more from the top menu bar, you'll see that my editor has been added to the shortlist. Let's use the hotkey Ctrl-Alt-X while having selected an image from my folder in Manage mode. My editor is going to open. I'll take a moment once the application is open to make some changes to my image. I'm then just going to save it so that you can see what this looks like back in Manage mode. Navigating back to Manage mode in ACDSee Ultimate 2020, if you don't see your image that you just created, simply click the refresh button on the top right next to the search panel. Just a reminder, because ACDSee operates off of your hard drive, when you go to save your image in an external editor and then bring up Manage mode and in the same folder structure, you'll find your image right there. Alright friends, that's how you use the external editor function from within Manage mode. As always, please like, comment, or subscribe for more ACDSee tutorials and video content.